Today is 4th June 2025 and the price of Pi is 65 cents, market cap 4.7 billion, Pi supply is at 11.2 billion, circulating supply is 7.3 billion and locked Pi is 5.2 billion. Right here we can see some transactions, latest transactions here. Seconds ago, blocks, OPS and such. Source here, you can see this wallet operations from Mount Sent and such. So let's go to a post here, which is posted by Pacobe and is breaking. There was a whale action. He withdrew 7.3 million Pi from OKX few hours ago. This is a known person. It was scanned and verified that yes, it is true transaction. And if somebody could buy 7.3 million Pi right today, do you think these people don't know that the price will go up? You know something big is coming. Now let's zoom this image. You can see this is the transaction detail. Hash address, ledger block is seen here, 21026358, about 2 hours ago. Results successful. Source OKX, fee account OKX, fee 0.01 Pi. It was just one operation and it was withdrawn. Here you can see is equivalent to 4,809,425.31 US dollars. OKX, you see the transaction amount of Pi 7.388 million. So they are very sure that the amount will pay. Let's go to another post. Is Pi available on Binance wallet now? What am I looking at there? Can I import my Pi balance to my wallet? Can someone please explain to me? This is 9 hours ago and it is bearish. Let's go to the latest information and check. The same transaction is today's discussion, and you can see this is a wallet address that contains a lot of Pi. Why I say more than 20k within 24 hours. Please absolutely not access any link to receive Pi rewards. Many pioneers have lost all their Pi assets without knowing that later a Pi is worth hundreds of dollars. Okay, he's cautioning those people who are seeing ads on Facebook and other websites where you are told to put your passphrase so that you may receive 314 Pi, 614 Pi. Yes, of course, that's a scam and you will lose everything you have in your wallet. So be careful with any transaction. Just go to, if you didn't buy, go and buy from an exchange, not those online links you see. VN Vietnamese people account for nearly 50% of global Pi verification nodes. I can agree with this. Vietnam is much far ahead of any other country in the world in Pi market. According to data from PiScan blockchain tracking platform, Vietnam is currently operating 163 out of a total of 334 global nodes of the Pi network, accounting for nearly 49% of the entire verification system. Distribution of the nodes in countries includes 75 machines in the north, 34 points in the central region, with 4 units in the south. Yes, you can pause the video and read slowly on that post. Moving to another one. This one we saw it somewhere. Now we have Mohsin Raza saying, Pi network strangles below $1 despite 100 million inflows. Yes, what holding it back? Price decline and market pressure. Pi has fallen over 75% from its February high near $3 to around 0.68278 cents as of late May 2025. With bearish technical indicators and increased token unlocking events causing selling pressure and dilution fears. Token unlocks and exchange activity, lack of transparent ecosystem development, KYC and accessibility issues, limited exchange listing, marketing and community engagement. In summary, despite the significant funding inflows, Pi network price strangles below $1 due to token dilution, ecosystem immaturity, lack of major exchange listing, KYC hurdles, and transparency issues. A turnaround likely depends on improved network development, clearer communication, and broader adoption. Can check another one. Somebody has said it is the Pi times of Pi network. The times of Pi network is saying 7.38 million Pi, which is equivalent to this amount on a KX, has been sent to Pi wallet holdings. The wallet itself is holding 276.56 million Pi, approximately, that is 179.7 million US dollars. That person, the owner of the wallet, has a clear indicator that Pi will skyrocket in future. Is buying low to sell very high and will profit huge. Let's check another update here. Stay updated on Pi network potential bullish trends in 2025. Critical squeeze area, bullish chart pattern. You can see the image. Let's check on another one. So as for now, we can see Sinanoma dear 9 hours ago. Is Pi available on Binance wallet now? We had read that. Another one. Okay, this is like Pi network mainnet launch. What users are really saying, the Pi network is getting closer to its global Mainnet launch, and the community has mixed feelings. While many are excited, others are asking serious questions. Ethereum, yes, what people are talking about, the global mainnet launch. Pi is almost here, but users have thoughts. Where's the roadmap? We want a clear plan. No more vague promises. Users demand a public roadmap. Node operators feel left out. We've been running nodes for years. What's our role now? Early supporters want recognition. They want recognition, yet they were earning more Pi. When you are running node, you are earning more Pi. I think that's the reward they already have. The only people who are concerned about are validators. Those who were validating KYC, that is data match, liveness check, ID verification if they match. No, they should be rewarded. And when they go to the dashboard, the page says Pi coming soon. So can Pi please pay those validators as soon as possible, and it should not be locked. Validation rewards should not go to locked uh, Pi's. Sidma here is saying, my thoughts on the Pi network's upcoming global mainnet launch. The Pi network community is buzzing in anticipation as we approach the long-awaited global mainnet launch. Here's a breakdown of what I have observed from fellow pioneers and my own reflections. We need transparent roadmap. Many users are excited, but there growing call for clarity. Let's check the last posts. Let's check the last post here. Need only for Pi network, not an other. You can see crypto routine. You can follow this nigga. Pi will hit 314 soon. Get ready. It's bored, it's speculative, but it's got the community fired up. Could we really see Pi reach payment level valuation? Whether you are mining, holding, or doubting, something big is brewing. Do you think it'll happen? Drop your thoughts here. Now, Pi network, you can see that, and right now it is at the bottom here, and the guy is indicating that it will soon hit 314, and we shall be very happy. We shall be very happy for this. We are holding. Migration jitters hit by network, and bull defend the 60-cent line 8 hours ago. Pi network is again in the limelight as its price fails to breach 66 cents after a minor rebound from recent lows of 60 cents. Pi coin has been stuck in a tighter range for 4 hours. Guys analyzing this, can read it slowly, and we pray that Pi will skyrocket as we anticipate. Let's all don't sell your pies very cheap. Subscribe to this channel, hit the bell button, like the video, and we shall meet on the next video. Thank you.